Precedence and associativity of operators. This point basically defines the priority associated with different operators used in C language programming and its associativity. So this table basically gives us a brief idea about different operators which are present in C language programming. So first, the top priority is always given to function call, array subscript, arrow operator and dot operator, and these operators are having left to right associativity. The second priority is given to unary plus, unary minus, increment, decrement, logical not, ones complement, indirection, address, typecast and size of operator which are having the right to left associativity. The next priority or the precedence level is assigned to multiplication, division and modulus operator, followed with addition, subtraction, and all these operators are having left to right associativity. The fifth precedence level is there with left shift and right shift operator. Now what is a role of this associativity? Suppose we are evaluating an example or an expression. In this expression, different variables are provided with some operators, and these operators are appeared having the same priority. For example, suppose I am there with an expression. In this expression, we are going to perform multiplication, division and modulus operation. So in this case, no doubt all these three operators are having same priority. In that case, the left to right associativity is checked. For example, suppose I am having this kind of expression, say A divided by B multiplied with say C this modulus D. So in this way, suppose I am having this expression. So now what will happen when the compiler is going to evaluate this expression? As mentioned in this table, the division, multiplication and modulus, these signs are having the same priority. So what it will do? It will check the associativity. So as per the left to right associativity, first the A divided by B, this operation is done. That means first the division is done because it is present at leftmost side in this expression. After solving this, then whatever result that obtained, that result is now multiplied with this C, because from multiplication and modulus sign, the multiplication sign is present at leftmost side and this operator is having left to right associativity. And finally, whatever this result is there, then the modulus division operation is carried out. So in this way, the associativity is useful while evaluating the expressions. The next, some of the operators are like this. The sixth priority is given to different relational operators. Then seventh is also associated with equal to and not equal to. Then we are having some Boolean expression operators like bitwise AND, bitwise XOR, bitwise OR, then logical AND, logical OR and conditional operator. All these logical operators are having left to right associativity, whereas this conditional operator is having right to left associativity. Then we are having this assignment operator, the different assignment operators which are having right to left associativity, and its precedence level is a 14, whereas the comma operator which has the left to right associativity is having the lowest priority. So in this way, the different priorities are associated with, or the hierarchies are defined for the different operators. So let us check some example. Suppose I am there with some variable A, B, C, D, E and F, and I am performing or I am writing this expression. Say suppose x is equal to A plus B minus C plus D multiplied with 3 mod of E plus F divided by 9. So if we see, then no doubt the bracket is having the top priority. So whenever the compiler is going to execute this expression, first of all it is going to solve this bracket. So what it will do, it will add the value of C into value of D, and whatever assigned result is there, this result we are going to get. So in the first step, the C plus D, this operation is done. Then we are again paying attention. Now this plus, minus, multiplication, modulus and divide, these 5 operators are now exist into this expression, and out of that the next group, that is this multiplication, modulus and divide, these are having top priority as compared to this minus and plus operator. So what the compiler will do, no doubt now the compiler is going to pay attention towards these 3 operators, and as per mentioned priorities, the top priority is given to this multiplication. Why? Because these operators are having left to right associativity, and as this multiplication sign appears, or the multiplication operator appears first at the leftmost side, whatever the result that obtained by evaluating C plus D, that get multiplied with 3. So this operation is first done. So this is the sequence of operation. First of all, the C plus D, that is first the bracket is solved, then this multiplication, modulus and divide sign are having same priority. So here it is now going to check the associativity associated with these operators, and as these operators are having left to right associativity, first the multiplication operation is obtained, then whatever obtained result is there, on that this modulus E operation is done. So that is a third step, and now in a fourth step it is going to deal with, say, this divide operation. So the F is divided by 9. So this is the fourth operation that is done. So in third we are going to obtain the result as 4, and in fourth step we are obtaining the result as 2, and then again now the compiler is going to check about this plus, minus, that is addition, subtraction and addition operation, and as addition and subtractor operations or the operators are having same priority, but its associativity is again from left to right, the first A plus B, this operation is done. So this is the fifth operation, and whatever obtained result is there, now this obtained result is added with the result obtained after this F by 9. That means here the sixth operation is this operation obtain result here. Sorry, now it is going to perform, sorry, then it is going to deal with this subtraction, and after this subtraction at the end this addition operation is done. So this addition operator in this case is having lowest priority, because in this plus, here in this plus, this minus, and in this plus operation, this plus operator appears at the last here. So because of that it is having the lowest priority, and after evaluating this we are going to obtain the result as a 10. So how these things are going to work? First the bracket is solved. After this bracket the multiplication operation is carried out. After this multiplication operation the modulus operator works. After modulus this divide, then plus, then minus and again plus. So in this case we are going to make use of, say, this different associativity operators. Then the next, say A mod 6 minus B divided by 2 plus C multiplied with D minus 5 divided by E. So in this expression, first of all the bracket is solved. So the top priority is given now to this bracket, and now inside this bracket we are having two operators. The first one is a multiplication and the second one is a minus, and out of this the top priority is given to this multiplication operator. So this multiplication operator is get evaluated first. So first the compiler will do C multiplied with D, and now no doubt this modulus sign, this divide sign or this plus sign is having top priority as compared to this minus, that is subtraction sign. But as this minus sign is mentioned inside the bracket, the second operation that performed is simple, this, say, minus operation. So here First, the compiler is going to solve this, that is C multiplied with D. The result is subtracted from 5. So this 5 is subtracted from this obtained result. So this is the second operation that is done. Now again, after solving this bracket, this modulus sign, divide sign and this divide sign are having same priority. So what the compiler will do? First of all, it is again now going to check the associativity, and for this divide, multiply and the modulus sign, left to right associativity is there, and hence first after solving this bracket, the third priority or the third execution is given to this modulus sign, the fourth is to this divide sign, and the fifth is to again this divide sign. So in this way the things are going to work. After solving this modulus, divide and divide sign, then this minus and plus are having same priority, but as the minus sign is present at leftmost side and it is having left to right associativity, the first this minus operation is done, and at last this plus operation is done, and by following this we are going to get the output as a 5. So in this way these arithmetic operators are going to work as along with its associativity. Let us consider this interesting example. Here we are having multiplication, minus and divide, and again this plus sign, and one relational operator that is less than operator. So here the obtained result, due to presence of this relational operator, the obtained result is either 1 or 0. So why the 1 or 0 result is there? Because this operator is going to check whether the value present at left side is less than the value present at right side. Okay, and if yes, then the obtained result is 1, and if no, then the obtained result is 0. So let us check out this. So as per the precedence assigned here, the top priority is first given to this A multiplied with B. So let us check out this. So first this A multiplied with B will be get executed. Secondly, C divided by D, and whatever this result is there, so this result that is subtracted from the multiplication result. So the first this multiply, second as shown here divide, and the third operation is this minus. No doubt this minus and plus at this instant having same priority, but because of its associativity which is from left to right, simple, first this minus sign will be get executed. So the obtained result for left hand side is 18 as shown here, okay, whereas the result which is obtained for right hand side is a 15, and as 18 is not less than 15, the final output that we are going to get is what? 0. So in this way these different operators are executed as per their hierarchy or as per their precedence. So the first thing that we have to take into consideration, what is the role of associativity of an operator. The associativity is helpful to execute a specific operator when the operators belonging to same family having the same priority appears in an expression.